Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Kumar, Assistant Professor, RPIIT. So today we are discussing about manipulating document using DOM. So जैसा हमने पिछली वीडियो में काफ़ी सारे मेथड्स सीखे थे, हमने उसके बारे में बात की थी। आज हम उन्हीं मेथड्स का यूज़ करके एक एग्जांपल करेंगे जिसके थ्रू हम बेटर अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएंगे that how these methods are used in our web development. So these are the same methods that we are discussing previously, like selecting elements, document get element by ID, query selectors, query selector role, like in how to change inner HTML, how to modify our attributes, change text content, setting attributes, get attribute, remove that attribute, like modify style, like inline styles. These are different. Like these are for CSS. These are properties like this is a box. We can select that element box. We can change their background. We can change their color. Class manipulation we have done in previous lecture. Like we can add the class, remove the class from the element, adding and removing element like append child, remove child. So these are discussing in our previous video, like accessing parent node, child node, navigating siblings, adding event listener, remove event listeners. So this was the example in which we are using that methods which we are discussing. So here we create an HTML document as you can see. So the main thing is our body in which we create a container. We create using a div tag. Here we give ID container. Then inside that div tag we have created two elements. First is h1 tag header. We gave that id header. Second is create a button which have id button. Inside that button we have update header, and inside that header one we have original header. So this is our basic HTML page. If we can see this in our browser, we share we we cannot see this tag, but we can see this at this original header and update header साथ में दिखेगा। ये ऊपर हेडर होगा, नीचे एक बटन होगा जिसके ऊपर लिखा होगा अपडेट हेडर. So like here this is our JavaScript part. Here we manipulate that part of our HTML. So here we can create header variable using that get element by id header. The header id is that h1 has that id, and we get the button from that id method. And third, so now we are using add an event. Here we add an event listener on our button. So here these are the methods that we are discussing. Like we can add this button dot add event listener. Here we choose the listeners which we want to choose, like click, hover or anything. So next is the function that is header dot text contest. So इसके अंदर हम यूज करेंगे जैसे ही हमारा एक बटन क्लिक हो तो हेडर इसकी इसकी आइडिया h1 की, उसके अंदर जो टेक्स्ट कंटेंट है वो हमें चेंज करना है अपडेटेड हेडर करके. नेक्स्ट एक चीज और हमें करनी है हेडर डॉट स्टाइल डॉट कलर. जो हमें इसको टेक्स्ट कलर है वो चेंज करना है रेड. सो दिस फंक्शन कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ that header and the content of that header. So this is all about this. And second, dynamically adding a paragraph. So how we can dynamically add it? Like in this example we create a const paragraph variable in which we can create an element p. So paragraph dot text contents, where we will this is dynamic added paragraph. The dynamic id container and append child paragraph. So in this, when we click on that button, we get an paragraph tag here. So this is the example of that method that we are discussing. So you can copy and paste in your computer and try to run this and see what is going on. And you can also change the IDs and play with that. Okay, thank you very much. We can meet in our next video.